Drive frontline excellence with collaborative and connected work. The biggest waste in the industry is the untapped potential of people at the front line. This results in major safety hazards, errors, and delays across operations. Proud and empowered teams achieve better results together. This starts with recognizing the expertise and involving frontline team in the shaping of the process. Capture knowledge, share scalable standards, elevate performance. Use the crowd's wisdom by capturing critical operational knowledge, making this the standards and put these to work for you. Share best practices across lines, teams, and sites to increase business resilience. Elevate performance by reducing operational downtime, safety hazards, and quality issues. SwipeGuide simplifies work at the front line by making any task easier to do. We deliver the best digital instruction experience and facilitate the continuous improvement of people, machines, and processes through machine learning. Just imagine you could have full insight into the impact your expertise and skills have on the performance across your operations. Capture, share, improve. Explore the power of collaborative work instructions and checklists for the skills improvement of frontline teams. SwipeGuide,